So this is the Virtual Production Fellowship based in Wales with partners Fivefold Studios and Guerrilla Academy. It's also in partnership with University of South Wales and Media Cymru. So it's a 9-month fellowship where we take industry professionals and also students from universities and graduates and upskill them in the workflows of virtual production. What we do is we put our virtual worlds behind our actors in our stage. So we're able to film in front of all these incredible backgrounds. The goal of virtual production is to effectively replicate how we would film on a location shoot. If you understand the workflows and you understand how to sell the effects of blending the physical and virtual worlds together, virtual production can look seamless.
So you can be anywhere that you want to be. That's the great thing about virtual production. You can be on a desert, you could be in a rainforest, you could be in space.
The benefits for me is complete control over the environment, over the lighting, over the time of day, and the versatility of being able to change the location very quickly, very rapidly. For example, 2 shoots ago we did 10 environments in one day.
So virtual production can be a big time save and a cost save for production companies.
It's a lot cheaper filming in a studio with a virtual production wall than it is taking everybody out to a location.
So the benefits are definitely sustainability. I can see that as a huge one because the film industry has a lot of waste, from props to travel.
We're estimating that virtual production can be 70 to 90% less carbon emissive than on-location filming. When we build a virtual environment, that exists forever, and we don't have to recreate it if we go back and do a sequel or pick up.
Today we're shooting a short piece that's kind of a commercial. First we had to come up with a concept, and then I created a script and a storyboard. Our concept that we came up with is about a Welsh coracle fisherman, and he's going out on the river with his coracle, and so we've got some, quite challenging shots where we've got moving water. It's really an advert for virtual production and how much easier it is to move around and you won't even get your feet wet.
I've been doing the virtual art department, how to build worlds and then obviously make them ready for filmmaking. One of the toughest parts of building the environment has been working with water and reflections and kind of making that look as good as it can be. Building an environment, obviously you're trying to build something that looks real. There's a lot of what we call mega scans, so they're basically real world environments that have been scanned using sort of photography and all sorts of other imaging tools. Essentially you get real world looking, hills and mountains and trees and plants and stuff. So you've got to bring all those elements together and then weave together to make it look natural.
I'm part of Team B. We're producing an advert about a charging helmet that uses wind power that a cyclist can wear that will charge their phone.
So I am in control of the digital environment. So say the director wants a tree added in the background. One of the benefits of virtual production is that we can add that here and now. So if Jasmine, our director, was like, oh, can we get a bit more foliage? Can we get less foliage? Can we move the sun? I can do all those things live on stage, and within seconds they can see what it looks like in camera and we can be ready to shoot.
We're hoping that in the next sort of 5-10 years, virtual production will become a part of wider production workflows for the majority of films and TV shows.
Wales has only recently got a permanent facility, which is here at Fivefold in fact, and so it's really important that we start to develop those skills within the screen workforce within the region to be able to crew productions that come through in the area.
I do think that there is a space for it to really blossom and become its own thing, so rather than being afraid of it, I think it's better to learn all you can and embrace it. Super excited.